Umar ibn al-Khattab, c. 586–644 CE. Also known as Umar I, was one of the most powerful and influential Muslim caliphs in history. He was a senior companion and father-in-law of the Islamic prophet Muhammad. He succeeded Abu Bakr as the second caliph of the Rashidun Caliphate in 634, and ruled until his assassination in 644. Umar is often regarded as the second greatest figure in Sunni Islam after Muhammad. He is known for his justice, piety, and strong leadership qualities. Under his leadership, the Islamic Empire expanded significantly, conquering much of the Sasanian Persian Empire and the Byzantine Empire. Some of his notable achievements include: expansion of the Islamic Empire. Umar led the Muslim armies to victory in several key battles, including the Battle of Yarmouk against the Byzantines and the Battle of Qadisiyah against the Persians. These victories led to the conquest of Syria, Egypt, and Persia, significantly expanding the Islamic Empire. Establishment of administrative systems. Umar established a well-organized administrative system for the newly conquered territories. He divided the empire into provinces, appointed governors, and established a system of taxation and finance. Promotion of justice and equality. Umar was known for his commitment to justice and equality. He treated all citizens fairly, regardless of their social status or religion. He also established a system of social welfare to help the poor and needy. Compilation of the Quran during Umar's reign. The Quran was compiled into a single volume. This ensured the preservation of the holy text and prevented any discrepancies in its recitation. Umar's legacy continues to inspire Muslims around the world. He is remembered as a just and wise leader who dedicated his life to the service of Islam and his people. Talib Dua. Muhammad Asghar Naqshbandi Mujdadi.